Hi, today I'm going to attempt to disassemble and change the battery for my Godox M32 mobile phone video light. The reason why I'm doing this is because the battery is now so weak that it shuts off after around 2 minutes at full brightness, and I'm hoping to be able to save it from the trash. I really like this video light because it is very convenient to use. The color rendition of the LEDs is very natural, and it is much brighter than my phone's built-in LED. The bigger surface area also helps with giving a softer illumination. I have been using this for several years now. Most of the time I use it at full brightness in order to get the best video quality out of my phone. The internal lithium polymer battery has a good capacity, and I was always able to complete filming what I need to before I had to charge it again. Recently, it started shutting off earlier and earlier. Alas, the built-in battery was aging and it became pretty much unusable on its own. I had to plug it in order to run it continuously, but this defeats the purpose of it being a portable light. So without further ado, I'm going to try my best to dismantle the light without damaging it and see if I could get a similar battery for replacement. The first thing I did was to dig under the soft rubber padding to see if there are any screws hidden there. And yes, there are. So far this is going well. Screws are a good sign that the casing is not welded together, and it might just be possible to open it without having to cut it open. So far, there are 4 screws, one at each corner, which I shall remove. Although all the screws have been removed, the video light does not come apart yet. So I tried using a screw to push out the cover from one of its screw holes, and this reveals a small gap that I can further pry open with my fingers. With the circuit board revealed, the battery is tucked behind the board, and it is a very good thing that the battery is connected via a connector instead of being soldered directly onto the board, which means it can be easily replaced if you can get a similar one. The battery itself is approximately 20 millimeters in width. It is about 30 millimeters in length. And it is about 7 millimeters thick. Although I would get a battery that is less than 7 millimeters thick, just in case this current battery is a little bit bloated.
At least I know I can replace the battery now, and somehow it's easy to replace.
The connector that is used for this battery is called the Micro JST or JST SH 2-pin connector. So make sure you get the replacement battery with the exact same connector if you do not wish to do any soldering. Now that I know that it's possible to change the internal battery, it makes me like this product even more and possibly consider buying future products from Godox. I'm glad that I don't have to throw this away just because its internal battery had worn out. I hope this video has helped you. If it did, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of such videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!